Hey guys, King's Island fanboy here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're actually not going to be discussing anything about King's Island. Today we're going to be discussing King's Island's sister park, King's Dominion, and their Volcano the Blast Coaster removal. Volcano the Blast Coaster was a full circuit launched invert coaster built by Intamin in 1998. It's called Volcano the Blast Coaster because it has a volcano, of course. It launches you out of the top, sometimes shooting fire out, which is a cool effect. Volcano was announced to be removed on King's Dominion's blog site, and people are already speculating what could replace it. Why is Volcano going? Volcano was one of King's Dominion's best rides, so why is it going? They obviously have to replace it with something good. Here is the land Volcano takes up. It's all highlighted with the red here. I'm thinking this is a perfect area to put something like a B&M invert or a B&M dive coaster. I'll keep you updated what I come up with, what could work if it's a B&M dive coaster or something. But Volcano was King Dominion's invert coaster, but now that it's gone, a B&M invert would be likely to replace it, or a dive coaster, because Cedar Fair is starting to say, hey, put these dive coasters in your park now, because that's Canada's Wonderland is giving Yukon Striker, and Cedar Point got Valraven. Right, that's it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.